My name is Takashi Kono. I'm from Japan and I'm stationed in Singapore now and taking care of the customer in Pakistan. And today we hold a technical seminar to our important customers, and they learn a lot about how to do the maintenance, also how to do the pre-maintenance. Also they understand that what kind of automation machine we have for their skilling. So I think that they learn a lot and they support us a lot and to run their factory better than now. So the Brothers is a Japanese company which has more than 115 years old history. So we started the business from industrial sewing machine, and we are now doing the printer or home sewing machine, industrial sewing machine, and some label printer. So we are a lot of business domain now, and we have the employee more than 40,000 in the world, and about 50 sales office and factory in the world. So we are a global company now.
Okay, my name is Iftikhar Hussain from Sri Lanka. I'm working for Brother Machinery Asia. I'm looking after Sri Lanka and Pakistan and East Africa region. Today's session was for technicians, our senior technical staff in all the factories in Punjab, and especially our customers who have been buying right throughout Brother industrial sewing machines, and they needed, and we as a company have duty to educate them, and it was a meaningful and a useful session for the participants, attendees who are selected by their own companies to participate in this de-skilling operation program on machine technology. And Brother has a technology which has a lot of benefits. It has IoT system, it has the Wi-Fi and USB ports. So these machines are useful for various sewing operations, and we hope this session today, full day session today on 20th of August will be a meaningful session for all those participants, and I wish them all the best. Thank you very much.
देखते रहिए हमारा चैनल पाक 360, लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।